Here we're not actually going to look in the accessibility section, but instead in display and brightness, where we are able to change the appearance of the iPad from a light mode to a dark mode. And the dark mode gives the iPad a darker, gentler look by switching supported apps to a dark colour scheme. It reduces glare and can make the screen more comfortable for people who find bright displays difficult. It's a little bit different to Smart Invert, because where Smart Invert may flip many interface colours to create a darker effect without trying to adjust any media or content that way, dark mode doesn't actually reverse anything. It just uses a built-in dark design where apps support it. This means images, videos and learning materials stay exactly as they are, while the overall interface seems calmer and a little bit easier on the eyes. I'm just going to open up the Notes app just so you can see this as a demonstration of it in practice. So I'm just going to put this in the split screen just for now. And you can see that Notes app is supported by the dark mode feature. If we go to light mode, that also switches over as well. If I was to type my note, you can see it's black text on white background. Switch to dark mode, white text on black background.